Woven tapestry wall hangings are a must-have accessory for those who want to add a touch of boho chic to their living room. Not only do they serve as a beautiful and unique piece of art, but they also offer practicality and functionality. These versatile pieces can be used as a wall hanging, a headboard, or even a room divider. And the best part is that they come in a variety of colors, patterns, and textures to suit any space. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest tapestry trends and show you how to incorporate woven tapestry wall hangings into your own decor. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some stunning ways to elevate your living room with these gorgeous pieces. Macrame wall hangings are a popular choice for boho chic decor as they add a handmade and artisanal touch to any space. These intricate pieces are typically made from natural fibers such as cotton or jute and feature a variety of patterns and textures. Macrame wall hangings can be hung above a fireplace, on an accent wall, or even used as a headboard. They come in a range of sizes and can be customized to fit any space. When choosing a macrame wall hanging, consider the overall style and color scheme of your living room to find a piece that complements your existing decor. Woven tapestry wall hangings are another great option for adding a boho chic vibe to your living room. These pieces are usually made from wool or cotton and feature a variety of colors, patterns, and textures. Woven tapestry wall hangings can be used as a statement piece in a neutral living room, or they can be incorporated into a more eclectic space. Consider the size and D shape of your room when choosing a wall hanging, as you want it to be large enough to make an impact without overpowering the space. If you're looking for a more modern take on boho chic, consider geometric wall hangings. These pieces often feature bold colors and abstract shapes and can add a sense of movement and energy to a living room. Geometric wall hangings can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and fabric. They look great in a minimalist living room or a space with clean lines and a neutral color palette. No matter which type of wall hanging you choose, be sure to use the right hanging hardware. This will ensure that your wall hangings are displayed correctly and that they're easy to hang and adjust. Use a level to ensure that your wall hangings are straight and secure. And don't be afraid to mix and match different types of wall hangings to create a gallery wall or a unique focal point in your living room. When it comes to decorating your living room, don't be afraid to experiment with different textures, colors, and patterns to create a space that reflects your personal style. And with the right accessories like wall hangings, you can easily achieve a boho chic vibe that's both stylish and inviting.